entire
Whoa! Yeah! That's a lot of... You need to clean up all of those.
pieces of trash. We did it. This will take
Wow! It'll take forever.
Bottle me up, baby. I'm hungry.
You got a bunch of trash.
Wow.
This right here is the first bag of trash.
That's the first
100
bag
more
of
to go.
trash?
How do we do this quicker? We just need more people. That seems simple. Do you clap for me? There you go. All of us.
Wow! Yeah! Let them clean up too! Hi guys! Did you see Mr. Beast's new video called I Cleaned the World's Dirtiest Beach? That was an amazing video! Even though I'm a kid and a small YouTuber, I can help Mr. Beast by donating $1 in teamseas.org. This means if we help Mother Earth, it preserves the future generation. And the future generation are the kids like me